When I was 13 years old, I first discovered my love for acting, and my acting teacher told my parents to enrol me in a course called Participate. It has been the most amazing experience of my life and has been the inspiration point for what I will hopefully do in the future, which is acting. When I joined Participate, I was the youngest one there, which was slightly intimidating at first, but once I got to mix with a group of people, I found out so much about their life experiences and the story behind them, and they just so helped me and supported me through difficult times, such as being sick before we started filming. They also taught me so much about life. It wasn't just an experience of learning how to act, learning to be on a film, but also about aspects that can be applied to everyday life. And I think that has matured me a lot over the last year, and it's been the best growing experience ever. Also, my favourite scene on the film was the car accident scene, which was just fantastic. The atmosphere was brilliant. And my other favourite scene was the food fight scene, because that was actually filmed in my house, and I've never made such a mess in my house before. Yeah, I just love the experience, and I hope that the credit, the opportunities and the people I've met will help me to go further in the film industry.